就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey, if you love jazz, blues, and rock in Hakka, then you are in for a treat. You're listening to Gina Can's music right here, and they've been nominated for many awards, including winning our ICRT Battle of the Bands a few years ago. Combining funk with strong rhythms and the Hakka language, this produces a unique kind of spark. 吉娜冠子的这一首《童话放客》呢，是2016年的作品，里面呢充满节奏感的 funk 结合了客家语言，让大家听见原来客家音乐也可以这样玩哦。吉娜冠子。
冲到身後壓站 embed 做一個 pose 準備好一個舞步算到300種數種頭髮準則會進步用下跳兩個放棄頭髮步放棄頭髮步做一步又一步唔好跳唔抽一步天板着摆 on kiss move 自在你跳天点亮酷冰快乐来跳舞用它跳两个放弃头发步放弃头发步放弃头发 dancing hey I know get happy everybody just say ayo ayo fun 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 with me 不是胸口胸
哟，这首是童话放客，而放客就是 funk 曲风的意思。这个主唱吉娜用她爆发力的嗓音跟唱功啊，让我们感受到她的热情和活力，我也都动起来了。All right, let's hear it for Gina's Can. Woo!
冲到身後壓站 embed 做一個 pose 準備好一個舞步算到300種數種頭髮就做會一步用它跳兩個放棄頭髮步
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.